about a quarter of our plate should come from whole grains. So this can include things like bread, tortilla shells, rice, pasta, quinoa, among others. Bread and other whole grains can be used in a variety of meals and snacks. What do you think the difference is between 100% whole grain and multigrain? Whole grain bread is made using the entire grain. That includes the bran, the endosperm, and the germ. This makes the bread more nutritionally dense because it includes higher amounts of B vitamins, iron, and fiber. Multigrain bread, on the other hand, you have to look out whether or not it is made with the complete grain. Multigrain just means more than one grain. Multigrain does not necessarily mean whole wheat. You have to be careful when choosing a multigrain bread by reading the ingredients to ensure that it is made with a whole grain. It is important to look for a bread that has at least 3 grams of fiber per slice. When looking at these two breads here, we see that the white bread has 1 gram of fiber per 2 slices of bread, whereas this bread here has 5 grams of fiber per 1 slice of bread. This white bread here only has half a gram of fiber per 1 slice of bread. It is very important to look at the serving size when you are shopping. A really great tip for increasing shelf life for bread is if you don't think you're going to finish your loaf before it expires, you can pop it in the freezer. Frozen bread is really easy to defrost in the toaster. Gluten-free bread is an option for those who have gluten sensitivities or have celiac disease. It is not any healthier than regular bread, and in most cases it is more expensive.